Hey lady, happy Wednesday. Welcome to another DIY Wednesday. My name is Allison Preiss with The Infused Life, and I am teaching you ways to protect the place and the people that matter most in your life. What does that mean? It means I'm teaching you how you can DIY so many things that you use in your everyday life that you don't even realize are toxic and harbor a lot of chemicals, carcinogens, toxins. Let me show you how to DIY it so you can clean up your routines, okay? So today I want to show you, I almost feel like it's a crime sometime to do these DIY videos for you guys because they're just so easy, but literally they are. So today I want to show you how you can make your own room spray. You need 3 ingredients. You need water, witch hazel, and essential oils, okay? If you don't have witch hazel, you can substitute for rubbing alcohol. That's fine too. Basically, it's just emulsifying your essential oils and your water together. And of course, you always want to shake before you spray. But let's talk about this for a quick minute because I know air fresheners are a huge thing. We talk a lot about diffusing your essential oils instead of using your plugins, your candles, any kind of fragrance that scents your space, because they are a huge offender of toxicity, of exposing yourself to chemicals and carcinogens that aren't necessary. So you may have heard me say before that the indoor air in your home, the EPA, the Environmental Protection Agency, estimates that the indoor air in your home is 2 to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air. That's crazy. That's crazy. And that's saying a lot about us and our habits, that the things we're doing in our space, the place that matters most, is more polluted than outdoor air. And when you think about outdoor air and you think about things like factories and Roundup in the air and just so many things out of your control, and yet your indoor air is more toxic. So today I want to show you how you can make a super simple room spray. So instead of getting those spray cans that you may be using in your home for whatever reasons, just do this instead. And as always, one of my favorite parts about it is that you can change it up according to the season, according to what kind of smell you like. My favorite is always like when it's a wet dog season. I have 2 dogs. I love to use citrus oils because it's such a great way to deodorize the wet dog smell, okay? But right now, as we move into fall here in the Northern Hemisphere, I know that those fall aromas are favorites. So cinnamon, clove, cardamom, wild orange, patchouli, cassia, eucalyptus, they all go so good together. And total bonus tip, I have coming out for you within the next few days, you're going to be seeing posts about it. You can sign up for my free series, Aromatic Autumn. So I'm going to be teaching you all about the wonderful benefits of the aromas that we love during the fall season and ways that you can create them naturally. So stay tuned for that. But let's talk about this for a quick minute because it's that simple. Your own DIY room spray. You want to do 1.5 ounces of water and 1.5 ounces of either witch hazel or rubbing alcohol. And then you can do upwards to about 30 drops of essential oil. Remember, this is a room spray, so you're going to be heavy-handed on your oils because you really want that aroma to linger. That's the whole reason that you spray things into your space, right? Thanks, Tanya. My sister got me this shirt. I think Old Navy, actually. So that's all you do. 1.5 ounces of witch hazel or rubbing alcohol, take your pick, whichever you can find, 1.5 ounces of water, and then upwards of 30 drops to essential oil. You're going to shake, and then I don't know if you can even see the mist coming out. This is such a great misting bottle I have. It's got a nice strong mist. You just mist it into the air. And one of the most common questions I will get about this is it safe for my pets? Look, folks, the plugins, the air fresheners, the wallflower things, the candles are way more toxic to you and your pets than some pure essential oils and water and a little bit of witch hazel is ever going to be. Just remember, and you can't see her, but I have a puppy laying right by my feet right now. Just remember that your pets have a more stronger sense of smell. So you want to give them the ability to leave the area if what you're spraying is not a smell that they are fond of. So as long as they have space to roam and they're not contained right where you're spraying, And that's just kind of common sense, I feel like. And you're not spraying right in their face. It's going to be totally fine. It's going to be better than anything else that you're using, okay? So a few things that I love, like I mentioned, the clove, the cinnamon, the cardamom, the patchouli, the wild orange, the eucalyptus, those are all going to be really good options for the upcoming autumn season. Stay tuned for my aromatic autumn series launching soon. And then you've got some of your really basics like lemon and rosemary, or lemon and lavender, peppermint and a citrus, excuse me, go really good together. But you want to make sure that you are using a pure essential oil. If you're using the fragrance oils and the knockoff oils at the drugstore and Target and Walmart, you're not doing yourself any favors. Just use your synthetic room air fresheners. I mean, it's just, you're kind of like canceling it out. So it is important that you are using a high quality essential oil, okay? When we get these synthetic room sprays, you've got all kinds of nasty ingredients in there that we don't realize. You've got formaldehyde in there. What the heck does formaldehyde need to be in there for? That's a known carcinogen. Then you have other ingredients like toluene, which is known as a reproductive toxin. Okay. So again, I've talked about this so many times with some of my other videos, but it's like women, when you've got unwanted weight that just won't shed no matter what you do, you need to take a look at your rain barrel. Is your rain barrel overflowing with toxic synthetics that you come into contact with every day that you don't even think about? Are your hormones out of whack? Because think about all the toxins that we're coming into contact with every day. It's a full circle. We can eat well. We can exercise. We also have to be mindful of the products that we're exposing ourselves to. And so that's why I love to teach you how to take care of the place and the people that matter most. So that's the DIY for today. It is your non-toxic room spray. 3 simple ingredients. It seriously takes 2 seconds to make. Give it a try. Come back here, comment, and let me know what your favorite combination of essential oils is for that ultimate favorite room spray aroma. And then stay tuned, because my aromatic autumn, say that 3 times fast, my aromatic autumn series is dropping here really soon, hopefully by the end of the week. I'm trying to put the finishing touches on it. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you how you can get those favorite autumn aromas in your home this season without the toxic chemical exposure. All right, everybody, have a beautiful day, and we will talk again soon.